What's up, y'all? I'm getting ready to put me some Texas toast in the air fryer. This the Kroger brand garlic. This is fully cooked, y'all. All you trying to do is just get some nice toastedness on the outside. Yeah, I said toastedness. And this is how the bread looks in the pack before I take it out. We have already eaten half of these, okay? So as you can see, I put a little bit of foil in the bottom of the air fryer. Get the Texas toast in. Load it up. Okay, we're gonna leave it on 400 degrees. And then we're gonna put it on 6 minutes. Got 2 minutes left. Let me check on it. Okay, it's starting to brown up. I think I'm gonna have to add some more time, but let's keep going. All right, so they are finished. Okay, that's how the first side looks. So I'm gonna turn these over with my tongs. Please, y'all, use something because the air fryer is really, really hot. I'm not gonna cook this side that long, y'all, because I don't want it to get too hard. So I'm just gonna do it for 2 more minutes now, because I like mine a little soft. 400. And let's see if that works. All right, 2 minutes is up. Let's see what we got. All right, looks good. I'm not gonna go any further because I want my bread to be, you know what I'm saying, a little soft on the inside. So yeah, Texas toast in the air fryer. Try it out, guys. So this was 8 minutes total. 6 on the first side and 2 on the second side, y'all. But you can even, you know, you can go 1 minute shy if you wanted to. Something like that. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see y'all on the next one.